value of these homes goes from anything over $500,000 to over $1 million. They are rather unique. These homes are grandfathered in. It's no longer legal in the state of Florida to build homes on pillars and on docks in the water. And that cute little yellow one, that's an Airbnb. It runs about $256 a night for a 1 week minimal rental.
Then they can get 2 people.
I don't know how many people. And behind these homes is Lakeshore Drive. It's a scenic byway that can take you from Mt Dora to Tavares. We will be going through Tavares also later on today. And the last three on the last 3 gray houses, those are original boathouses. And if they were for sale today, the value would be about $250,000. Wow. And they're not for sale. So these birds on the post, those are actually anhingas. We will see hopefully more of those along our journey today. And Captain Ted and I, we will be looking out for
a program that was called Help Feed America. We don't charge enough.
It is a pretty cool hallway to have like weddings. Down that right there, right? With all the glass.
St. John's, Army Corps of Engineers controls the water very well. It does rise and fall foot, maybe a foot and a half.
Yeah, insignificant, yeah.
Oh, wow. What are you guys talking about? No, I'm just kidding.
That's not the bridge we have to worry about.
I bet it's breezy up there.
Don't try that with a small boat, they don't fit.
Yeah, they took he's going into the trees there. We couldn't do that.
No. Alright, so who wants to get out and camp? You guys ready to go camping? No. Come on.
Well, this is where we offer our Swim with the Gators program.
I'll set up a picnic. Could you imagine? No. No.
That guy has black, oh, because it's a different variety.
Yeah, it's a different bird.
I don't even know if that's safe.
Somebody soda can.
Safe bird.
Now, if something falls in the canal itself that's blocking navigation through the canal,
Who's responsible to clean
the
that?
sheriff will bring somebody in and they will clean it out.
There's a baby one over here. That house.
A wood duck house?
Yes.
It's for, and the Audubon Society put them there. And the only problem is that they're about 5 feet too short, so the birds don't use them. But the idea is that wood duck would fly in at high speed into that small hole and hang out.
Measure.
I'll get it for you.
Okay? Yeah. And the cypress trees, you'll see little nodules popping out of the water around them, and those are the knees of the cypress tree, and that's how it breathes. And
Gotta navigate these trees and stuff. Yeah. Goes too far.
Because they have a fishing boat, they think that they are special. And this adheres to Coast Guard regulations, and they have no clue what they are.
Look at the wandering Jew, like, I think it's wandering Jew. Grown
Oh yeah, look at that.
it's how it dries its feathers. And then I think on the top left, is 6 stages. 6 stages.
I think they left that tree there.
So right now we're entering Lake Eustis. There's Lake Eustis is bigger than Lake Dora. This lake is 7,800 acres.
They taken this morning. I said, when we were waiting for you to come. I came way back.
And the land goes about 1,000 feet to the left and to the right. I don't freeze those anymore.
That isn't deeply stuck. The channel is way too big. It's flat.
Like on this?
Yeah. One size, nice and tight. You know, I don't know.
Yeah.
Can I go take pictures of the ones we have in the backyard?
Yeah.
Send them to you. Of the palms.
Yeah.
All still there. I didn't know that was bad. Yeah. It was like crazy. They were really wet.
Yeah.
Even onto the land, not just in the water.
Do I get points for those?
Good job on the wing.
About 100%. Yeah. Did you never travel, did you?